Good morning, everybody. Okay, so welcome to sentence chapter. And actually, this class is for class 7, your grammar book. Grammar. The first chapter is sentence. So try to see it. Sentence. First of all, see what you mean by sentence. The general meaning of sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, group of words. In a very earlier classes also, we have talked about the words. Words means what? Words means actually a group of letters. A group of letters. Group of letters that gives meaning. That gives meaning, and which has a complete meaning. That is word. Group of letters. This is a letter. This is later. That is to meaning in words. Okay. For example, cat. Cat is the C is a letter, A is a letter, T is a letter. And it is systematically used. Why? Because it has a meaning. Cat means birat. The word is a group of letters. Okay. But and similarly, the group of words, the group of word is called sentence. Okay. For example, when we say, my father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. You can see here, my is a word. This is also a word, father, and is also a word. And doctor is also a word. And you सब word मिले के बनाई दिए कुछ sentence. This is the complete sentence, and it has a complete sense also, complete meaning also. My father is a doctor. Okay, and कुने पनि sentence ले पूरा हमको लगी subject चाहिए. This is the subject, this is auxiliary verb, and this is the object. So I mean to say that to complete the sentence, generally what we need subject plus verb plus object. This is the general structure for any sentence. कुनै पनि complete sentence को लागि यो तीनवटा कुरा हुनै पर्छ. बुझ्यो? That's why a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And now we are going to talk about types of sentences. These are the types of sentences. Types of sentences. And before that, we are going to that when we write the sentence, some more important things are there. The starting letter of the word in a sentence must be capital letter. Now, there must be full stop if it is a assertive sentence. So these are the characteristics of sentence, features of sentence. And now we are going to talk about types of sentence. Types के sir. The first type is assertive, second type is interrogative, third type is imperative, and fourth one is exclamation. So there are altogether 4 types of sentences. What are the types? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative, exclamatory sentence. And now first we are going to see about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also called a statement sentence. A statement bani chhe. Okay. Now the simple meaning of assertive sentence is a sentence which states something. States something is assertive sentence. Just even though he is a teacher. He is a teacher. This is a short example of assertive sentence. It states, it's like a bunch. Okay. He is the subject. This is auxiliary verb and this is object. So what are the features of assertive sentence? Isko features are very easy. It starts with capital letter. It starts with capital letter. Okay. And ends with full stop. In assertive sentence ends with full stop. Okay. Full stop sign stone, sir. This is the full stop. Okay. Similarly, it has a structure like subject plus verb plus object. For example, this is the example of he plays football. This is the example of assertive sentence. he is the subject, this is verb, and this is object. So this is all about assertive sentence. What I have seen, it is also called a statement sentence. It states something. इसलिए कि भन्छ अरूको बारेमा अथवा आफ्नो बारेमा. It starts with capital letter. You have seen this is the capital letter. You have seen this is a capital letter. Okay. Similarly, ends with full stop. Here is full stop. Here is full stop. And what is the general structure? Subject plus verb plus object. Okay. And we will go further. Okay, अब assertive sentence को पनि दुईटा टाइप हुन्छ. There are two types of assertive sentence. First one is affirmative, okay, and another one is negative. इसको दुईटा types for assertive को पनि. Affirmative means a sentence which gives the positive meaning. That is affirmative sentence. And negative, the sentence which gives the negative meaning. Ulto अर्थ दिन्छ. Negative meaning. That is what? Negative sentence. For example, you can say he works hard. उ धेरै मेहनत गर्छ. He works hard. This is affirmative. This is the example of affirmative sentence. But when you say he doesn't work hard, he doesn't work hard. He doesn't work hard. This is negative sentence. These are the examples of negative sentence. Okay. Now we are going to say interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is also called question sentence. इसको अर्को पनि नाम छ question sentence also it is called. Okay. And interrogative sentence simply means what? A sentence which asks questions. That is interrogative sentence. Very easy. And here interrogative sentence it also starts with capital letter features. Capital letter यो पनि start हुन्छ. Other ends with question mark. जहिले पनि question mark. This is the example. This is the sign of question mark. Okay. Like when you say, does he finish his work? This is the example of interrogative sentence. And यसमा के छ? इसको structure first मा AV हुन्छ. AV means first मा verb, then after subject, then after main verb and object question mark is there. Okay. And now we'll see the types of interrogative sentence. Two types. It is also two types. First one is yes no question. And other is WH question. Two types are there. WH question. Yes no question. This my auxiliary verb. So say he was walking in field. So what will be the yes no question? Was he working in field? Question mark. So AB पहला लेख्नु पर्छ. AB plus subject plus main verb. Okay. But in WH question, like what is your name? What is your name? This is the example of WH question. WH words in this starts अथवा where you born. This is the example of WH question. WH question, WH word like where, like what, like whom, like whose, like who, like how often, like how far. This one starts from a WH question. So this is about the interrogative sentences. Okay, and the next one we are going to talk, that is imperative sentence. So now we get an imperative sentence. imperative. Imperative sentence is also called command. Command sentence. Command sentence. So see here, like come here, like come here, like please do it now. These are the examples of imperative sentence. The imperative sentence can usually अलग फर्क होता है. How it is different? The imperative sentence always starts with V1. Generally V1 लेते हैं. V1 is okay. V1 means main verb for V1. Main verb we already know. Like V1, like V2, like V3, like V4, like V5, like come, like came, like come. Sorry, this is V1, root form of the verb. Because everybody gives a root form of the verb will start. So another thing is here, इसको features है, always starts with V1, verb 1. Next thing is ends with full stop. Full stop. Okay. And one more thing is here. No, there is no subject. No subject. It's not subject today. Subject huncha तर hidden huncha. Hidden मतलब लुकेको huncha. Subjects are hidden there. Implied also it is not. Subjects are always hidden. Come here means you come here. You come here. तर नत्र यो लेख्नु पर्छ नत्र यो बुझ्नु पर्छ. It is understood. These are the things. And imperative sentence, यो sentence which talks about the command, like come here, which talks about order, shoot the ball, which talks about order, and which talks about request also, like please do it now, please do your work, please kindly use. The form command, order, request. So this is about the imperative sentence. And the last one is now exclamatory sentence. You can hear exclamatory sentence. Okay. So exclamatory sentence, a sentence which talks about certain feelings and emotions. जो certain feeling and emotion को बारे में आप पूरा करें. That is exclamatory. अचानक कुछ feeling किमी कहीं कुला लगे ना धरे मन प्रफुल्लित भैया अथवा हमें दुखी भैया तो sudden feeling and emotion. It may be the feeling of happiness. It may be the feeling of sorrowness. Okay, like when you say, oh, he died. Oh, he died. This is the example of exclamation. Or when you say, what a beautiful flower it is. This is also the example of exclamatory sentence. इसमें क्या है? It starts with features. It starts with capital letter. Exclamatory sentence also, and exclamation sign is used here. Exclamation. This is the sign of exclamation. This is the sign of exclamation. You generally use neighbors. Okay, and your sudden feeling the emotion को बारे में पूरा वर्ष. So, oh, he died. It talks about the feeling of sorrowness. Feeling of sorrowness. दुख व्यक्त करी है ना. यहाँ what a beautiful flower it is. यहाँ surprise व्यक्त करी है. So, क्या you? These words are the exclamatory words like oh, like wow, like hooray, like alas, etc. These are the words generally used to express the certain feelings and emotions. So this is all about your sentences.